Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous session, I explained how to set up custom mode gateway in Power BI. Today I am going to explain you how you can set up on-premises data gateway in standard mode. And you know very well, on-premises data gateway is a software or you can say an application, and it works like a bridge and provide the connection between on-premises data sources and Power BI Service Cloud. Here I noted down some important points about a standard mode gateway. Just see the point number one. Multiple developers can use this gateway for their reports. That means multiple users can access same data source for their reports. Now see the point number two. It support import mode, live connection and direct query mode. Now see the point number three. You can connect with Power BI, Microsoft Flow, Power Apps and Azure Energy Services. That means if you are using a standard mode, you can connect with multiple services, including Power BI, like Microsoft Flow, Power Apps, and Azure Energy Services. Now, move to the practical. Here I am using one dataset. My dataset name is SQL data, and my storage mode is direct query, and source type is SQL Server Database. Now I will show you the source. So you can see here, this is my SQL Server name, and here I am using AdventureWorks 2017 database, and this is my table name is COVID, and here we have 6 columns, right? Now back to the Power BI desktop, and here I created one report page, so you can see here, and here I am fetching data from SQL data source. Now I am going to publish this report to cloud. So for this you have to log in with your official mail ID. I already log in here, so I simply click to publish, and after that select your workspace name where you want to publish this report. So I select project 2. This is my workspace name, then click to select. Power BI will take few seconds to publish your report to cloud, and you can see here standard mode gateway is my report name, and from same name Power BI will create dataset for this report, and you can see here my report has been successfully published to Power BI cloud. Now click to got it. Now go to the Power BI Service Cloud. So you can see here this is my Power BI Service account and I already log in here. Click to workspace, then select your workspace name, and after that click to reports tab, and you can see here this is my report standard mode gateway. Click to open this, and you can see here it is showing me some warning. There is no gateway to access the data source AdventureWorks 2017. This is my database name. Here I am not able to see data. Reason behind, till yet we have not installed any standard mode gateway. Reason behind, I am using direct query, and if you want to see direct query data on Power BI Service Cloud, so in that case you have to configure standard mode gateway. In my previous session I installed personal mode gateway, but personal mode gateway does not support the direct query, right? And if I go to page number 1, so here I'm able to see data. Reason behind, this is static data. Here I'm using some text and images. All data are static, so that's why I'm able to see. But if I talking about live data, so I'm not able to see. So for this we have to configure a standard mode gateway. Right now I will show you the data set for this report. So click to workspace name and then click to data sets tab, and see this is my data set. Then click to ellipse icon and click to settings and select your data set from here, and then click to gateway connection. So you can see here use a data gateway option is disabled, right? And same you can see here data source credential and scheduled cache refresh, all options are disabled. So firstly we have to configure a standard mode gateway, then automatically all three options will be enabled, right? So here to install gateway we have one option. Just click to download, and when you click to download icon, here we have one option data gateway. Click to data gateway. It will navigate to you Microsoft official site. So you can see here this is Microsoft official site, and from here you can download both gateway, personal mode gateway and standard mode gateway. In my case I already has been download the gateway. So you can see here this is standard mode gateway and this one is personal mode gateway. Now we will install standard mode gateway. So double click to standard mode gateway. Now give the path where you want to this, and then check the term and condition and click to install, and then click to yes. After that again click to yes, and you can see here process has been started. And to install standard mode gateway you have to remember some important points. After completion of this process I will explain you. Now click to yes. Now enter your official mail ID. Your official mail ID should be same like your Power BI service account mail ID. And after that enter your password and then click to sign in. Here I am going to skip login steps. You just enter your mail ID and then enter your password and click to sign in. So after successfully sign in, here it is showing two options. One is register a new gateway on this computer, and second one is migrate, restore or take over an existing gateway. So we are going to install new gateway. So just select the option 1 and click to next. After that you have to give some good name for your gateway. So I am giving development. Now enter recover key. This key should be minimum 8 character, and you can see the message. This key is needed to restore the gateway and cannot be changed. Record it in a safe place. That means when you want to restore or recover your gateway, that time you have to enter this key. And when you are going to migrate your gateway from one PC to other, so that time also this key is needed. So please always remember this key. And recover key encrypt your data source credentials and store to the Power BI cloud. So this key is very important. So always remember this key. So now I am going to enter 8 character recover key. After that confirm your recover key and then click to configure. So you can see here after enter recover key it is showing me success message. The gateway development is online and ready to be used, right? So using standard mode you can connect with Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Logic Apps, Azure NC services, right? Now click to the close, and now go to the Power BI cloud. So you can see here till yet all three options are disabled: gateway connection, data source credentials, and schedule cache refresh, right? So just reload the page. Now click to gateway connection. So you can see here it is showing development gateway, but till yet gateway not configured correctly. So click to setting icon. So you can see here under gateway cluster my development gateway is showing, right? So for development gateway we have to add data source, right? So just click to add data source and give name to data source. So I give adventure 2017 and then select your data source type. So my data source is SQL server, see, and then enter your SQL server name. So go to the SQL server using select @ server query. You can get your SQL server name, paste your SQL server name here, then copy your database name, then paste here. And now here I am using authentication method Windows. Now enter your Windows username here with domain name. So my domain name is this one, and then backward slash, and my Windows name is user. Now enter your Windows password and click to add. So you can see here it is showing connection successful message, right? And then click to user tabs and you can give data source access to users, right? Now back to the report and click to report. So now you can see here I'm able to see data using direct query. Now go to the data set and we will check schedule cache reference and data source credentials. All options are enabled or not, right? So click to workspace name, then click to data set and click to ellipse icon, then click to settings. And so you can see here now data source credentials options are enabled, and you can see here my database name and my domain name, and then click to schedule cache refresh. This option is also enabled. So from here you can set the schedule cache refresh time for dashboard tiles, right? And when you click to gateway connection, so you can see here this is my development gateway and it is showing status running, and here I created data source EDV 2017, right? So hope you clear how you will set up standard mode gateway in Power BI. Thank you guys.